VCT is a global company. The start we established in Taiwan almost 50 years ago. We professional charge in cutting tool. We are very professional. All of our round diameter shank, we are very professional, including drilling, taping, reamer, endermere, and any round diameter cutter. We are very professional. And then we built a new company in China. We make business in China almost 22 years. And then we start our Vietnam business. Jian Chen. Jian Chen is our group company sub company in Vietnam. Right now, we start our business in Vietnam. We established our value stock and the plenty stock in Vietnam. So, and we not only provide cutting tool, and also we can provide technology to end user and the dealer. Any customer needed, we can provide. And all round diameter shank cutting tool, we can, including taping, drilling, endermere, reamer, any round shank cutting tool we can provide. Right, it's the first time we joined VIMF exhibition. And then I feel this exhibition, I feel very satisfied, and I can trust this exhibition. Through this exhibition, we can get more customers and the more information I want to get. I think that for example, held the seminar for interesting customer. I think it's the most, I think it's important thing. You can hold seminar in this exhibition, and also you can provide more advantage in this exhibition. Also we booked 6 booths in Beijing VIMF.